Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a review on the 6-inch ceramic knife from Cestari Kitchen. I got it on Amazon.com, and as you can see, it comes in this cute little box. And this is the knife. It has a cover over the blades, just to act just like a protection. And the whole knife is black, like the blade is black and the handle is black. This is a rubberized handle, and the grip is great, like it's nice and wide and it's easy to cut the vegetables on. The grip is great and the quality of the knife is amazing. You don't have to worry about rusting, and this knife never needs sharpening, so you don't have to buy any knife sharpeners or something. And the blade is quite sharp, and the fruits and vegetables can be made into very thin slices in no time. I have been loving this, and it's dishwasher safe. um, but just make sure that you put it on your top rack when you're washing it. You don't have to worry about germs getting piled up on your knife like your regular usual stainless steel knives that you use. And today I'm gonna show you a demo on how this knife works. It gives very nice thin slices, and I'm gonna show you that. So today I'm gonna cut some onion and lemon. I have actually used it on bread, and I used it to cut chicken and lots of other things. Like, the quality is good, and the slices that are coming out are really good. Like, they're thin slices, and yeah, you can have a look at it so you can understand. I have been using it to cut my smoothie. Sorry, I have been using it to cut my strawberries for smoothies, and it's very quick and it takes very less time in the morning. You can see that the knife is very sharp. And the slices are great. Like, it doesn't take much time, and it's easy, and the quality you can see it from the demo, I guess. So in total, I give it a 5-star review overall. I'm very happy with the quality, and I feel that it is a perfect addition to my kitchen. It works great and it's stylish at the same time. Thank you.